nagged the hell out of him because he's...
Yeah,
over here, Kate.
Dad wanted to do jumping jacks.
Oh, I farted! Did you hear it? It was like a
Videotaping.
Oh, crap! That's so unfair. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Gonna put it on Facebook, yeah.
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
It was like...
Is that good?
I put carrots in his food.
That's so embarrassing.
You have to hold... Someone has to hold that out, darling. It's heavy with the puzzles on.
Sam, is the boat pose this? Where you, like, sit like this?
He's trying
Is that
to
the boat
shit-
pose is?
shit
I'm
in
pretty
some
sure.
tube.
Do you want me to turn this off? What?
He was peeling yesterday, his face. Oh, I want to pick it off. Can I pick it off?
No, still up.
Do you want me to turn this off?
No.
There's poopy water in there.
Remember one time he was on my lap and then I let him off. Right after I let him off, he shit all over that.
Oh, that was Stumpy.
Yeah.
That was a little one.
Okay.